Today I'm going to share with you proven strategies to monetize your channel quickly. And these are secret strategies that hardly anyone talk about. And if you follow this step-by-step guide, chances are that you'll be able to monetize your channel in as little as 30 days. All right. So the first one will be choose a niche that pays well. A lot of people just choose any niche, right? But if getting monetized quickly is something you want to do, you want to choose a niche that pays well. Niches that are high CPM. For example, finance and investing, okay, business and side hustles. These are the highest paid niches that I'm telling you now. Tech and software tutorials like Canva tutorials, any software at all that you're used to. Health and self-improvement, that is also a high paid niche. Online learning and productivity, faith-based motivation. Now, most of you know that my channel is both business and side hustles, and I also talk about finance as well. And so my CPM is higher than most people, and that is why I'm able to make more money on YouTube. Number two, leverage the short content formula. And what this does is it gives you faster growth, right, with less effort. And even though I didn't go this route, I've seen a lot of people go this route and it has helped them. So what you do is, for example, you can compile expert opinions. So if you get clips from interviews from experts and people that are already famous, right, or podcasts, and you properly credit them and you edit them in such a way that you're probably interviewing them, you're probably like you're compiling it and you're making commentaries over it. These things can help you get monetized quickly. The other one is reaction videos. For example, if you react to trending topics in your niche, for example, a lot of people know that when DoorDash was trending, plenty people jumped on the trend and everybody was like reacting to DoorDash or doing this about DoorDash. And most of them got views and subscribers. A lot of people even got monetized. So people really leveraged on DoorDash a lot. The other one would be AI generated videos. If you use AI tools to create faceless videos, like with stock images and all of that, I see a lot of AI generated channels like folk tales and all of that really blowing up and getting monetized really quickly, because I feel like people are enjoying this ones. Also videos like maybe sleep videos to help people sleep quicker and all of that, or Bible verses and all of that. Now, the next one will be summarizing books or courses. For example, if there's a book that you've read that has helped you a lot, if you summarize them and break those popular books down, right, or high ticket courses, maybe you've purchased a course that you know people are really jumping on and you can summarize them. Those also bring views because they are already topics and that are already trending. For example, let's say how Warren Buffett invests, right? A lot of people know Warren Buffett, right? 5 rules to follow, 5 rules that Warren Buffett uses to invest. You know, all these ones can help you gather, gather views and also subscribers. Or you can use examples like best side hustles in 2024 from millionaires, or I tried the millionaire routine for 7 days. You know, all those things can help drive traffic into your channel. Step 3 will be hack the YouTube algorithm hacks with these tricks that I'm going to tell you. Post 3 to 5 YouTube shorts daily for 30 days. So for the first 30 days, right, post at least 3 YouTube shorts. Hi, Mama. Give me a kiss. Did you sleep well? Okay. The reason is because shorts explode your channel fast and it helps you drive subs. Now, one thing I want you to put in mind is that the shorts that you're sharing, I want it to be something that is related to what your channel is going to be talking about, so that you're not like totally off, because sometimes it's hard for shorts viewers or short subscribers to convert into long form. The next one will be to pin a comment to boost watch time. So every time you post a long form video, you want to pin a comment to ask a question that's related to the video. And what that does is that it helps people talk more about the video, thereby telling the algorithm exactly what your video is about the more. And so what it does is it helps push your content to the right viewers. All right. The next one, use clickbait titles ethically. Now, I'm not asking you to put in your titles what you're not going to offer in your video. But for example, instead of side hustles for 2024, right, you can say side hustles that will make you quit your job in 2024, or side hustles that will make you quit your job in 2025. The next one will be to optimize for watch loops. And what that means is end your video by asking people to watch a video next by telling people what to watch next, right? And linking it to other related videos. The next one will be to use chapters and timestamps. Make your videos rank higher in search when you use chapters and timestamps. And I've told you, if you don't know how to do that, if you go to Taja.ai and you sign up, Taja.ai will help you create description, chapters, and everything all in one. All right. Now, step 4 will be to monetize before you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Even though that is the mark, everybody wants to reach that point because that is the point that can get you monetized, right? The part that no one talks about is the fact that AdSense will not be the major part of your income on YouTube. You want to do affiliate marketing. I always promote affiliate marketing here. And last year I made over $1,000 with affiliate marketing. So promote your products, sign up for Amazon affiliate marketing. Okay. The next one will be to sell digital products. So for example, ebooks, templates, right? There are digital products that definitely relate to your niche that you can sell. You can also sell coaching services. I told you guys how much I made last year, right? And if you've not watched that video, I'm going to be linking it up here somewhere. You watch it and you can see that you can, sell coaching. Now, if you have problems coming up with this, right, go to the link in the description box or the link that I'll be pinning in the comment section. It's the Monetize My Channel course. It's a 4-week one-on-one course where I'm going to guide you through how to monetize and start to make money from your channel before you even get access. All right. The next one will be to launch a mini course. I posted a video yesterday on how you can launch your course. So definitely go back there and watch it. Okay. And by the way, if you are enjoying this video so far, I want you to kindly hit that like button because I see a lot of people watch the videos but hardly like it. So kindly hit that like button, okay? The next one will be to get sponsors with under 1,000 subscribers. I started to get collaborations on my channel with I think 500 subscribers. And some of my students have gone ahead to get collaborations with less than that. All right. So use cold emailing, email your people. And that's one of the things that I'll be teaching you if you sign up for that class. And by the way, I offer payment plans, so you don't have to come up with the entire fee at once. Okay. Now, these are amazing tips on how you can get monetized in as little as 30 days. Actually, if you start to sell digital products, affiliate marketing, your ebooks and all of that, you can monetize in even less than 30 days. All right. Now, the step 5 will be to use these simple growth hacks to hit 1,000 subscribers fast that I'm going to be telling you. Number 1, run a giveaway. Okay, give people something, share from the abundance that you already have. Like you can ask people to win a free coaching call or free discovery call, right? Partner with other YouTubers, right? Cross promote each other's content, partner with people. It is important to partner. Like a tree does not make a forest, right? The next one will be to use other platforms to drive traffic to YouTube, even though I don't really use this all the time, but Facebook is an amazing place to do that. And finally, number 6 will be to apply for monetization as fast as you can. So once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, don't even wait, right? Make sure your channel has no copyright claims. That means from now, use and create only original content. All right. Now enable your AdSense ASAP. Turn on all your types of ads and all of that. Now, the reason you should apply for AdSense ASAP is because you don't start to get your money until you input the PIN that YouTube is going to send to you. So it takes about 3 weeks in some cases. Some cases it takes even more. So you want to apply for AdSense as quickly as you can. All right. Now, the final thing is, don't just rely on AdSense. I want you to build a real business, build a real landing page, right? Create offers, build an email list from day one. So once you start your channel, have a lead magnet and build an email list from the very first day. Okay, and if you're able to handle a paid community, start a paid community. Anyway, guys, I hope this video has been helpful to you, and if it has, kindly hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Have an amazing day. My name is thetobyrich.